Well, it is Monday and I am back in the office after a busy weekend. I was away most of the weekend with my son in North Jersey at a hockey tournament, but now we're back in the office and headed out again this coming weekend to Hershey, Pennsylvania for another hockey tournament. So things are already getting busy with regards to my son in hockey. With that said, we did come out with a blog article regarding nonverbal communication in the courtroom. I put it out on social media. We've done blog articles on this. I've written about it in my books. I've done videos on it. But I want to touch on it again because it's very important, the power of nonverbal communication in a courtroom. I can't stress enough to both clients and their families during hearings, during trials, during motions. I can't tell you how often I've had to speak to a family or a client about everyone is watching you during a trial or a motion, and that goes for the judge or the jury. And when it comes to a judge trial, otherwise known as a bench trial, I would think that the nonverbal communication isn't going to make as much a difference, but I can definitely tell you that during a jury trial, it makes a difference. The jury is watching everything, and that means they're watching everything, whether or not you testify, whether or not your family testifies. They are watching everything, especially if you're making eyes at them or doing something that's going to possibly cause them to think bad of you or possibly good of you. And I tell clients that they need to be aware of their surroundings in a courtroom and to stay consistent with their appearance during a trial, during a motion. You don't want to be rolling your eyes or doing anything inappropriate in front of a jury or a judge. It can really make a difference. And with regards to dress in a courtroom, I always tell a client to dress conservatively, regardless of your style or your taste. You can't go wrong for men, for instance, with a collared shirt, tie. It doesn't need to be a suit. I do recommend it for jury trials, but collared shirt at the minimum, slacks, shoes, not sneakers, not jeans, and that goes for your family as well. There's a movement now to be comfortable in the workplace and to dress what makes you feel comfortable. I disagree with it, both in a professional setting and even in my law firm here. I never allow any of our employees to dress in jeans, or even on off days when I come into the office. I never know when a person's going to come in, and I always, at the very minimum, always wear a collared shirt whenever I'm in the office speaking with a client and their family. Usually, 9 times out of 10, I'm in a suit, but the power of non-verbal communication is very important. I tell my kids the same thing. So if you have questions about courtrooms or how you should address a courtroom setting, I mean, we're here, obviously. Once you retain us, we're going to answer those questions. Our blogs, our books, our videos, I do touch on it, but again, I wanted to stress it in this video. Don't underestimate its power. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is somewhat of a down week. A lot of people are away. I was in court this morning representing a client in Cape May County, New Jersey. I'm now back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey. Have some new people starting today, so we're getting ready for their orientation. School is starting in a lot of areas, but once again, it's going to be a very, very busy close of the summer, and I expect a very, very busy fall season. Once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. GamboneLaw.com is the website. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've written as a lawyer is available there. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you all very soon.